No.
Hit it.
Alright, this is our video on how to do motion detecting using motion detector and our school equipment. So, here's what you need to do. Get a motion detector. In the box, there's also a cord. Take those to your workstation. And then the other thing you're going to need is what we call a CBL. You guys haven't seen these yet. What comes in this box is your CBL, your power supply, and then the USB cord to connect to the computer. So, first and foremost, fire up Logger Pro, plug everything in. So, power supply goes to the power. Those are the plugs on the side. Round plug, round hole. Plug it in, wait for it. That sound means that it's time for business. USB plug goes into the USB. Bam. The funky looking other end goes to the other end on this guy with the USB mark on it. Like that. Bam. So then Logger Pro should recognize that it has this device. Now it just went from no device connected to that little device there. It's a little version of the Lab Pro that we just plugged in. So it's recognizing that it's there. The last thing that we need to do then is plug in our motion detector. And what we do, again, find the plug that fits. There's two types of plug, digital sonic plugs and then channel 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will not fit in channel 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't make it. Find a plug that it will fit in. So this fits in digital sonic. So I'm going to put this in dig/sonic 1. Fits nicely. And then the last part, plug this into your motion detector. There's a port on the side. You see the light kind of light up. Okay, but what we have to do, because the computer has not recognized that this is in yet, so we actually have to go into the computer, click on the little device, set up sensors, and so we plug this into digital sonic 1. So that plug there corresponds with the plug on the screen. We're going to choose the sensor. We're using a motion detector. So we have to tell it we're using motion detector. And you now see that it's blinking. The computer recognizes it. It's making a small clicking sound. And then you'll also notice the screen changed so that we now have position graph, a velocity graph, and then we'll also tell you data. Okay. To collect data for this, there's a collect button on the top. You'll hit that, and when you hit that, you'll actually hear the motion detector start making a noise. And then it's also then graphing the motion of things that move in front of it. What you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be actually matching the motion that we give to you on certain graphs with your movements. Now, my recommendation to you guys, if you want to get cleaner, better looking lines, get a flat surface so that when your body is moving, it's hitting this and not your rounded body, which is a more difficult surface to map. So one time just to get a clean graph. And back again. And so then I can actually go in. This portion here must have been where it missed me, but the rest of this you can see is a nice smooth graph that it analyzed. So that's motion detecting, how to set them up. We'll set you guys up with the activity, but that's how to set up the device.